Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Shopify Lite affiliate program, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with the Shopify Lite affiliate program, start by visiting the Shopify website. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page to find the affiliates link. Click on the affiliates link to be directed to the affiliate program page. Here, you'll find an overview of the affiliate program, including its benefits and earning potential. Look for the Join Now or Apply button on the affiliate program page. Click on this button to begin the application process. You will be prompted to create a Shopify account if you don't already have one. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and password. Once you've completed the sign-up process, log in to your new account. Next, fill out the affiliate application form. This form will ask for specific information about you and your marketing strategies. Be thorough and honest in your responses, as this will improve your chances of approval. After submitting your application, wait for a confirmation email from Shopify. This email will inform you whether you've been accepted into the affiliate program. If accepted, log into your Shopify affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which contains marketing materials and tracking tools. Here, you can find links, banners, and other resources to promote Shopify Lite. Make sure to read through the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Start sharing your unique affiliate links on your social media platforms, blog, or website. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to track clicks and commissions. Engage regularly with your audience to promote the benefits of Shopify Lite. Consider creating tutorials or reviews to showcase how Shopify Lite can help businesses. Stay updated with Shopify's latest features and tools to enhance your promotions. Utilize analytics tools to refine your marketing strategies over time. Always strive to provide value to your audience to increase conversions. With dedication and effort, you can build a successful affiliate business with Shopify Lite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.